Imagine waking up to a beautiful morning by the sea, but suddenly, everything changes. The ocean roars, the ground shakes, and a deadly wave rises up, ready to strike. This chapter, The Tsunami, consists of three parts that recount the destruction and havoc caused by this natural calamity. Today, we'll take you through stories of survival, courage, and the valuable lessons learned from this tragic event. The tsunami struck on 26 December 2004, devastating many countries, including India, Thailand, Sri Lanka, and others. Let's begin with some remarkable tales of people from the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Our first story is about Ignatius, a manager from Kachala Island. One morning, his wife woke him up, sensing strange tremors. But this wasn't just an earthquake. It was a warning that the sea was about to strike. Huge waves came crashing in, sweeping away Ignatius's family, his wife, children, and relatives. A family lost in seconds. Next, we have the story of Sanjeev, a brave policeman. He managed to save his wife and baby daughter, but his heroic attempt to rescue others proved to be fatal. While trying to save a guest house cook, the overwhelming waves took both Sanjeev and the cook away. A heartbreaking sacrifice. In another tale of survival, we meet Meghna, a 13-year-old girl. Swept away by the waves along with her parents, she clung to a wooden plank as the sea carried her. Finally, the waves brought her back to shore. Though saved, she was completely dazed. Her life forever changed. And then there's Almaz Javed, just 10 years old. Her father had noticed the strange behavior of the sea. The water was receding. Recognizing the danger, he warned his family to move to higher ground. Tragically, while helping others, a huge wave washed him away. Almaz survived, clinging to a floating log. She woke up in a hospital, too traumatized to speak about the disaster. Let us now move to part 2 of our chapter, which is a story about Tilly Smith's quick thinking. Survival isn't just about physical strength. Sometimes, it's about using the knowledge you have. Meet Tilly Smith, a young schoolgirl from Britain. On vacation in Thailand, she noticed the signs of a tsunami. The sea was rising, foaming, and swirling. Tilly remembered her geography lessons, where she had learned that tsunamis are caused by earthquakes. Alarmed, she warned her family and others around them. Thanks to Tilly's quick thinking, her family and others were able to flee to safety, and they avoided the deadly impact of the waves. Sometimes, knowledge truly saves lives. Let us now move to part 3 of our chapter, which tells us about the sixth sense of animals. Did you know that animals have an incredible ability to sense danger before it strikes? In Sri Lanka, at Yala National Park, elephants were observed running away from the beach an hour before the tsunami hit. The animals sensed the danger and found safety, while many humans were caught off guard. In another instance, a man near the Gale coast had two dogs that refused to go for their usual beach walk. This strange behavior was a warning sign. He and his dogs were saved from the disaster. So, students, the tsunami of 2004 taught the world many lessons. It showed us the power of nature and the importance of being prepared. But it also taught us about the strength of the human spirit, about courage, resilience, and the will to survive. In times of disaster, quick thinking, compassion, and awareness can make all the difference. We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, watch video lectures, and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on Edureve to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all. You also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more for class 8. Thank you.